everyone, my name is Emilio Melo and welcome to my course, Building Your First Data Pipeline in Azure Data Factory. I am a Cloud Solutions Architect at Cloud Advantage with focus on data and AI technologies. Data engineering is one of the hottest topics in the IT industry at the moment, as the velocity, volume, and variety of data nowadays require skills beyond just traditional ETL. In Azure Data Factory, as Microsoft's main cloud response to these data transformation needs, has become quite a popular tool. In this course, we're going to cover how to create data pipelines in Azure Data Factory. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include: what is Data Factory and what makes it an excellent tool for both ETL and ELT? How to create pipelines, activities, triggers, linked services, datasets, and integration runtimes. How to perform simple transformations using mapping data flows. And an introduction on how to use Data Factory for orchestration by calling external services. By the end of this course, you'll know the foundations needed to start creating pipelines on Data Factory. Before beginning this course, you should have some basic familiarity with both Azure and databases. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into other Azure data and AI topics. I hope you join me on this journey to learn Azure Data Factory with the Building Your First Data Pipeline in Azure Data Factory course at Pluralsight.